This video will discuss the new features that have been added to ConcreteSection 3. Let's get started. Two new project templates have been added to ConcreteSection, featuring structural steel shapes encased in rectangular and circular concrete sections. This allows you to quickly generate the reinforced concrete section that contains the steel shape chosen from a database or a standard parametric steel shape that you define. You can also specify the dimensions of the concrete section and define the various parameters for the reinforcement. These templates will significantly reduce the time it takes you to define concrete sections with embedded steel shapes. The Create Rebar group feature has been improved in ConcreteSection 3. In previous versions of the program, only the distance from the face of the concrete to the centerline of the longitudinal reinforcement could be specified. This required you to manually account for the clear cover, confinement bars, and longitudinal bars. Now, for concrete sections that are circular, rectangular, and polygons, you can set the clear cover, confinement, and longitudinal reinforcement, and the reinforcing bars will be placed in the correct location automatically. This will significantly speed up the process of exploring different reinforcement options for your concrete sections. Creating and modifying the reinforced concrete sections in the program is now easier with improved drawing grids. Also, the drawing grid names have been simplified, making it easier to choose the correct grid that is best suited to your situation. In ConcreteSection 3, the columns in the Load Case Manager now retain their size and order. This will save you time by eliminating the need to readjust the columns in the Load Case Manager every time it is closed and reopened. Furthermore, the size of the Load Case Manager dialog box is now maintained. ConcreteSection 3 has been updated to use the ACI 318.19 and the CSA 23.3.19 design specifications for calculating the factored interaction diagrams. The interaction diagram filters have been upgraded so that the demands and the flyby annotations can be filtered on and off independently. This conveniently allows you to filter off the demands to get a clearer view of the annotations for the interaction diagram. Also, the flyby annotations now display the tensile strain in the extreme layer of longitudinal reinforcement. This can help you quickly identify which regions of the diagram are compression controlled, tension controlled, or in the transition between the two. In ConcreteSection 3, you can now view the reinforcement strains for the various result cases in the stress result view. Simply change the reinforcement result type to view the maximum strain, minimum strain, average strain, or the strain variation. The reinforcement minimum stress result type has also been added to the program. Now, when you select a piece of rebar or the steel shape, both the stresses and the strains are shown in the Result tab of the Project Manager. Furthermore, the strains in the steel as well as the minimum stress can now be included in the report. In the report view, a feature has been added to help you filter the table extremes, which allows you to make your reports clearer and more concise. This is the same feature that was added to visual analysis and is covered in depth in the Table Extremes training video for visual analysis. The justification for columns in the report table can now be modified to get your reports looking exactly how you want. Simply right-click on the column to set the justification for that column to left, center, or right. To save you time, justification preferences have also been added for the report's text and physical data. In addition to adding the new features to ConcreteSection 3, the help file has been improved, allowing you to gain an even better understanding of the program and how to use it more effectively. We hope the new features in ConcreteSection 3 increases your productivity in the program. Thanks for watching and have a great day.